Aquascape fountain bowls are perfect for a wide variety of uses and applications, including container water gardens, elegant fountains, or even decorative pond filters. Aquascape fountain bowls are handmade from fiber resin composite for its durable and lightweight characteristics. Choose between round or square fountain bowls. Square bowls are available in 2 different sizes and offered in an attractive textured gray slate finish, designed to blend well into a variety of settings. Round bowls are available in 4 different sizes and offered in 3 different hand-painted finishes: Merlot, Lunar Gray, and Green Slate. Optional internal shelves and hanging planters are available, allowing you to get even more creative. Let's look at the different ways they can be used. Container water gardens, sometimes known as patio ponds or mini ponds, are a great way to add a water feature to any location, indoors or out. Simply set in the desired location and get creative. Use the optional shelves and hanging planters to create your own unique patio pond. Fountain bowls make it easy to add a stunning fountain to any location. Bowls can be installed as standalone water features or added to waterfalls and ponds for an exciting decorative element. Simply drill a hole in the bowl and install the plumbing. You can either use the included spout, or for more advanced customized water flow, cut the edge of the bowl as desired. Fountain bowls can also be configured as biological filters by adding a fountain bowl biological filter kit. This kit bundles everything you need to turn any fountain bowl into a powerful filter. Kits include support shelves, custom filter mat, biomedia net, bioballs, biological filter media, and plumbing fittings. The components install in seconds, allowing you to quickly add a decorative filter to any application. No matter how you choose to use them, Aquascape fountain bowls are the perfect blend of beauty, function, and creativity. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We connect people to water the way nature intended. We've been creating and field testing water features since 1991 to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.